Honorable students, this class is for the students of inter math. The medium is English. This class is for the students of non-Hindi region, especially and abroad. This class is for the board exam, and after completion of board exam, we will arrange a special classes in which critical problems will be discussed for the competitive exams like IIT, JEE Main Advanced, NDA and others. In this video, I will discuss important problems of the chapter Limit Calculus. Let us see. For question number first, 1 square by n cube plus 2 square by n cube plus 3 square by n cube plus n square by n cube tends to 1 by 3 as n tends to infinity. This question can also be asked in this form: limit n tends to infinity 1 square by n cube plus 2 square by n cube plus 3 square by n cube and so on up to n square by n cube is equal to 1 by 3. In this situation, we first obtain summation and then we obtain the limiting value of the function. Let us see. One square by n cube plus 2 square by n cube plus 3 square by n cube plus so on up to n square by n cube. This is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to n square by n cube. This is equal to n plus 1, 2n plus 1 n cube. This is the summation of this. From algebra, we know this. So from summation of series, we know this. This is equal to 2n cube plus 3n square plus n by n cube. Now, therefore, limit n tends to infinity 1 square by n cube plus 2 square by n cube plus 3 square by n cube plus so on plus n square by n cube. This is equal to 2n limit n tends to infinity 2n cube plus 3n square plus n by n cube. Obviously, this is in infinity by infinity form. Infinity by infinity form. In this situation, what we do? In this situation, we divide numerator and denominator by highest power of the variable. Let us see. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity n cube 2 plus 3 by n plus 1 by n square by here this by 6, 6, 6. Sorry, here summation of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So this denominator becomes 6n cube. Yes, from here we start again. N cube by 6 n cube. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity 2 plus 3 by n plus 1 by n square by 6. What we see here, infinity by verb does not exist. Infinity by infinity form does not exist. Does not exist. Now we put the value of the variable, limiting value of the variable or value of the variable, and get the limiting value of the function. We write it here above. Two by 6. This is equal to 1 by 3. Since limit n tends to infinity, 3 by n is equal to 0, etc. So the limiting value of the function is 1 by 3. And we obtain the required limiting value of the function. This function, you write it as notebook. Question is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square root over minus 1 plus x root over by x. Obviously, at x is equal to 0, the function takes the form 0 by 0. At x is equal to 0, the function takes the form 0 by 0. In this situation, we multiply and divide the function from the conjugate of numerator. Here is 1 plus x square by root minus 1 plus by root. Then we multiply and divide by 1 plus x square root plus 1 plus x square root. If there would be plus, then you would have to multiply and divide by 1 plus x square root minus 1 plus x root. That is, we have to multiply the function and divide the function by the conjugate of the numerator. In this way, we are able to obtain the limiting value. Let us see. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square root minus 1 plus x (1 plus x root by x). This is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square root minus 1 plus x root by x into 1 plus x square root plus 1 plus x root by 1 plus x square root plus 1 plus x root. This is conjugate of the numerator. This is equal to 1 limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x by x 1 plus x square root plus 1 plus x root. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x by x into 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x root over. We obtain this is equal to we write it here. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square minus x by x 1 plus x square root plus 1 plus x root over this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x minus 1 by x 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Now here x is the common factor between numerator and denominator. We remove it. Then what occurs? Indeterminate form vanishes, and then putting the value of the variable, we get the limiting value of the function. Let us see. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, x minus 1 by 1 plus x square root plus 1 plus 1 plus x root. Here what we see, what we have learned, here 0 by 0 form does not exist. 0 by 0 form does not exist. We write next step here. Write next step here. This is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus 1. Here x is 0, x square will be 0, x will be 0. Then what we obtain? minus 1 by 1 plus 1. As we know, square root of 1 is 1. This is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the required limiting value of the function. You write it on your notebook. Next question, question number 3. Limit x tends to a, x to the power 5 by 2 minus a to the power 5 by 2 by x to the power 1 by 2 minus a to the power 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 3 no. A to the power 1 by 2. We have learnt a formula for obtaining the limiting value of the algebraic functions. Here we will use that formula. So we arrange this function in appropriate form so that we are be able to use the formula directly and obtain the limiting value of the function. Let us see. Obviously, this function is 0 by 0 form. Now let us see. Limit x tends to a, x to the power 5 by 2 minus a to the power 5 by 2 by x to the power 1 by 2 minus a to the power 1 by 2. This is 0 by 0 form. This is 0 by 0 form. This is equal to limit x tends to a, x to the power 5 by 2 minus a to the power 5 by 2 minus x minus a by x to the power 1 by 2 minus a to the power 1 by 2 by x minus a. This is equal to limit multiplied in the numerator and denominator in both. This is equal to limit x tends to a, x to the power 5 by 2 minus a to the power 5 by 2 by x minus a by x to the power 1 by 2 minus a to the power limit x tends to a, x to the power 1 by 2 minus a to the power 1 by 2 minus x minus a by x minus a. Now this function has come in the appropriate form so that now we are able to use the formula directly and obtain the limiting value of the function. Let us see. This is equal to 5 by 2 into a to the power 5 by 2 minus 1 by 1 by 2 into a to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Since limit x tends to a, xn minus an by xd minus a is equal to n to the power a about n into a to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 5 a to the power 3 by 2 by a to the power minus 1 by 2. This is equal to 5 a to the power 3 by 2 into a to the power 1 by 2. This has come above. This has come above. And this is equal to 5a square. This is the required limiting value of the function. This is the required limiting value of the function. You note it on your notebook. Next question, question number 4. limit x tends to infinity sin x by x. This question has already asked in IIT. As we know that the value of sin x lies between -1 to +1. Whatever the value of the x may be, that is, whatever the value of angle may be, maximum value of sine is +1 and minimum value of sine is -1. So the value of the sine x will lie between -1, any quantity between -1 to +1. This function is not in indeterminate form. Let us see. The value of sin x lies between -1 to +1. This function is not in indeterminate form. Now see, limit x tends to infinity sin x by x, this is equal to any quantity between -1 to +1 by infinity. This is equal to 0. This is the required limiting value of this function. This question has already asked in IIT. You note it on your notebook. In next video, I will also discuss more problems of the chapter limit. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Mathematics Vibes. I Satish Kumar Thakur, lecturer in math, Raja Ram Shah College, Raxaul, Bihar, India. Have a nice day. Thank you.